Hello guys, and I am back for another video. So we finally got steps in, and we also have expanded the porch a little. And guys, you'll never guess what I did to my finger. Right, kitty cat? Well, I put on my shorts, and I fell down, and my fist hit the porch, and it kind of caved in a little. And I'll take off the band-aid real quick, so I'm going to have to put the phone down. Or I could do this. Hold on. Okay, here it is. It hurts pretty bad, but I can get through it. Right, Kitty? Kitty, what you doing? Just to mention, say hashtag cat if you like my cat. He's adorable. Like Kiki. You're the best cat in the world, Kitty. And I obviously pretty much hate my dog. The dog bites a cat. So yeah. And we still have some leftover boards left over from the port. Well, from the stuff being built. Diana. So yeah, technically, why am I gonna kick a basketball? I do not know. Oh no, it's a dumb dog. Hide! Shh. Don't tell dog I'm gonna kill a ball at it. Huh. How did I miss? Dog! Stop. Look what it's eating. That dog. Look. That's a dead bird. That is a dead bird, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Ugh. Disgusting. Dog, you're nasty. You hear me? You're nasty. But Mr. Wells ain't nasty. Isn't that right, Kitty? Mr. Wells is a good cat. Just so you know, Mr. Wells is a boy. Say hi, Mr. Wells. Hi. Oh yeah, guys, I feel like I'm saving up. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, so bye.